Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. Today's video, we're going to do two Dominator fountains. We're going to do Howling Wolf, and then we're going to do Hurricane Alley. Usually I avoid the whistling fountains, but for my Pyra musical, I kind of need a whistling effect worked into the show, and I can't use whistlers because of all the plastic. So I got Howling Wolf to try and check out. I'm assuming it's going to have a lot of whistle, but we don't have a description on either of these fountains. And then I also picked up the Dominator Hurricane Alley, so I can annoy the neighbors with the loud whistle, and then we can go for a quieter effect after. So I'm going to take both of these out back. We're going to light them up in order, up on the ladder, and let's see if this will work for the effect, and let's see if this is one we get again. Thanks, everyone. Howling Wolf. Hurricane Alley.